Well, also happening live at 5, after more than 3 years, the Anthony Garcia murder trial is underway.
He's accused of killing 11-year-old Thomas Hunter and the Hunter's family housekeeper Shirley Sherman. That was 8 years ago. Then accused of killing Dr. Roger and Mary Brumbach in 2013. Today, jury selection for this high-profile case.
And our Aaron Murray was at jury selection. And Aaron, we know they had to bring in more people. Can you explain why?
Yes, they called in 250 jurors. Now, Anthony Garcia's trial is not the only one this week. There are 4 others. That's why they had that huge number. But you can imagine that many people could not fit into a courtroom. That's why they brought them all here. We're inside the legislative chamber, and let me tell you, this room was packed. They had people in the chairs in the very back of the room, every seat filled all the way to the chairs in the very front. Huge number. Because of the 250 people, 120 people would be divided up between the other 4 cases. So that would leave 130 people to choose from for Garcia's trial alone. But that even was whittled down more when one man had a medical issue today and another person was identified as an attorney with no knowledge of the case. So from there, they came to a number of 128 jurors. Now, the first 30, and each of those people were given a number, and the first 30 were kept today for more questioning, and then the rest were released. Now, they will be questioned in the days to come, but all were left under a strict guideline.
So they can go out and do their business, provided that they're under the admonishment of the court not to do any internet searches, talk to anybody about the case, that kind of thing.
Now, the continued questioning is all part of this legal term called voir dire, and basically it allows attorneys from both sides of the case to question these potential jurors about 4 questions that they went over with them today, and that gives them a better understanding about the jurors that they would like to keep, and then more specifically about the jurors that they do not want to keep.
But there's more to go, Aaron. So what about this next round of questioning? How will that work?
Absolutely. So there's 128. They're doing individual questioning right now. So that's going to take several more days. And then from there, it'll be whittled down to 48 and then more days after that. So a long time yet before we get down to those final 12 jurors. And then coming up at 6, I'm going to go over some of those questions that they went over today and why those were important to the case.
Interesting to hear what those are. Thank you, Aaron Murray, reporting live tonight.